Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening messages and picking a conversation. This gets you into the iPhone UI quickly. Tap the App Store icon, then the Memoji stickers button, and select the new Memoji plus sign to start. You do this because creating inside messages links your Memoji to keyboard stickers immediately. Once done, choose the skin tone and other base options first. These set the look you'll refine next. Make sure your device runs iOS 13 or later, so the full feature set is available. Now you customize facial features. Start with skin, then hair, and move through eyes, brows, nose, and mouth so changes stack logically. Use the provided sliders and presets to tweak size and shape. This matters because small adjustments make your Memoji resemble you more closely. Once you finish facial detail, add accessories like glasses and headwear. These layers combine, so pick contrast for readability. Make sure to preview your Memoji in different lighting and expressions to confirm the look before you save it. Finish by tapping Done. Your Memoji is now saved and appears in the keyboard, messages sticker tray, and FaceTime effects. To use it in FaceTime, start a call, tap the effects icon, pick Memoji, and your animated avatar follows your expressions. This works because True Depth tracks facial movement. If you need to edit later, open the Memoji from Messages and choose Edit. If the Memoji isn't showing, update iOS and verify Face ID or True Depth is enabled in Settings. This usually fixes detection issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.